we will be unboxing a Makita cordless lawnmower. I need help. Definitely.
The grass is growing.
It's time to cut the grass.
Hey.
For sure, that's the handle.
This belongs in the back to catch the grass.
To catch the grass.
And here's the bloody manual.
First is you enter the battery. And then put the cover. Put the cover. You should hear a click. Okay. Okay, next is we have to connect this one on both sides.
Is it going to?
This is the last one. Okay, and then put it here.
This one goes
In here. Is it here or here? This side. This side. This side. Like this side. Listen up. Give me. I think it's the other way around. Oh my god.
What is that one?
And then this one you can use it to fix the cable.
And then this one should be able to go up and down. But
Hold on.
you just
So
click it. This one doesn't click.
before you start using it, you have to connect this, your bag.
That is if you wish to collect the grass. If you don't wish to collect the grass,
Of course, we're going to collect the grass. That's it. This one is to change the height of the blade. So this is the lawnmower, the cordless lawnmower. It looks nice.